Today we will be completing the ELA Benchmark 3 on Linkit. The Cheltenham School District Administration is requiring that all students complete an ELA benchmark in order to determine how well students are learning right now. This will be your third tracking benchmark of the year. Like all reading assessments, the answers are all in the text. Please use your test-taking strategies. Pre-read the questions. Look back into the text to find your answers. Eliminate answers that you think are wrong. Answer all questions. You will work in breakout rooms to complete the assessment. Once you enter your breakout room, you must share your screen so that your work is visible when the teacher enters your breakout room. Here is how you will access Benchmark 3 assessment. First, go to test.linkit.com. This link is available for you in Google Classroom. Then you will enter the assignment code for your period. This is also available in Google Classroom under the instructions for the ELA Benchmark 3. You will select your name from the drop-down list, and then you will enter your 6-digit student number as the password. If your name does not appear on the drop-down list, it is because you are likely in the wrong test. So please make sure you copy and paste the code from Google Classroom, the instructions for the benchmark in Google Classroom. Just paste them directly onto the assignment code for this assessment. Once you have logged in with your 6-digit student number as the password, you can begin taking the test. To pause the test and save it for later, you can click on the pause symbol. Then click Yes. Right here it says Yes, save, and finish later. When you are finished, you must submit. So in order to submit, you will click the stop sign in the upper right-hand corner and then go ahead and submit. Click Submit. If you do not click Submit and you do not click Save, you will lose all your answers. So please make sure that you follow these instructions carefully. If you get this message, it simply means you have not yet finished the test. So the message says, there are still unanswered questions. Are you sure you want to submit your session now? Do not submit. Instead, click No, keep working. You should not submit this test until you have answered all of the questions. Here are some final reminders. Number 1, make sure that you share your screen once you enter the breakout room. Number 2, please return to the main room if you have a question during the test. If you have a question during the test, return to the main room. Make sure that you use your test-taking strategies. First, pre-read the questions, then look back into the text to find your answers. Eliminate all answers that you think are wrong, and answer all questions. This will be a 5-point completion grade in PowerSchool. So if you complete the assessment, you will get a 5 out of 5. All scores over 50% will earn extra credit points ranging from 0.1 points to 5 points, depending on the score earned. So if you receive 100% on this benchmark, you will get 5 extra bonus points. So your score in PowerSchool will be a 10 out of 5. If you get a 95%, then your score in PowerSchool will be 9.5 out of 10. If you get a 65%, your score in PowerSchool will be 6.5 out of 10. So basically, anything over 50% will give you some form of extra credit. Remember to save your test if you do not finish it before the end of class. Finally, some of you may finish this benchmark well before the period is over. If you do, you are to begin Wednesday's assigned reading and notes. You should only begin Wednesday's assigned reading and notes for Monster if you have already completed all of the assigned readings, notes, this is the character analysis notes, and reading checks for Monster. Please make sure you have done your notes for Monster for last week, Wednesday and Thursday or Friday. Happy testing!